Hello everyone, our next metallurgy quiz question is why FCC structure is more ductile than BCC structure. So first we will look into the slip system. So what is slip system? Slip system describe a set of symmetrically identical slip planes and associated family of slip direction on which the dislocation movement can easily occur, and then it leads to the plastic deformation. So basically slip system is consist of slip planes and slip direction. So what is slip plane and slip direction in that particular crystal structure? So basically slip plane is that plane which is most closed packed plane in that particular structure, and slip direction is the most closed packed direction in that particular crystal structure. So in case of FCC, when we see in case of FCC crystal structure, we have the most closed slip plane is the family of 111, while the most closed packed direction is 110. And in case of BCC, we don't have only single this closed packed plane, so we have three this plane. First one is 110, second one is 112, and third one is 123, while the slip direction is only 111. So the total number of slip system in FCC material is 12, while in case of BCC material we have total number of slip system is 48. So based on the slip system, this number of slip system, we can easily say that BCC is more ductile than FCC, but no, because in this case in BCC these planes are not closed packed, while in case of FCC this 111 is most closed packed plane as compared to the BCC. So this is the main reason why FCC structure is more ductile than BCC. The in FCC structure the planes are closed packed, while in BCC the planes are not closed packed. Okay, thank you so much.